Here's part 2 of that CCV conversion that I did a while back ago. I'm going to check that filter to see what it looks like now. That's what it looks like on the top. This is looks like on the bottom. So it's doing its job. It's cleaning, it's going through the air filter. And inside, there's no sign of any oil residue. So far the system seems to be working. But if you don't want to convert it, the best thing to do is change the CCV and all the hoses. And whatever you do, don't buy those cheap hoses. They are no good. And the CCV valve, yeah, if you buy those cheap valves, they don't last either. Take it from experience. Okay, over and out.